Hello and thanks for tuning in. Recent stock market highs have many investors worrying that stocks are peaking and that a big drop awaits. But all this fretting over indexes reaching arbitrary levels obscures the fact that most bull markets set many new records before reaching their peak. Only one in history failed to, in fact. That's how stocks provide higher longer-term returns than other asset classes over time. So just because stocks haven't reached a new high alone isn't indicative that the bull market may be nearing its end. Now, investors often fear markets reaching records because they assume that saying buy low, sell high implies don't buy at a record high. However, during the 1990s bull, U.S. stocks set 347 new highs and returned over 400% after the first new high. From record high 100 to the bull's end, the S&P 500 rose 200%. From record high 200 to the end, over 100%. In the current bull market, U.S. and global stocks have each set over 100 new highs each. This bull market's first record was in April 2012, and U.S. stocks are up over 80% since then. Presuming a record high meant a peak would have been extremely costly in these cases. While this bull will reach a final peak, it won't end because of the peak itself. Simply, stock prices are not serially correlated or influenced by crossing certain index levels like round numbers or previous highs. Stocks are forward-looking. They move on the gap between reality and expectations. And most sentiment metrics today point to only newfound optimism, not the exuberance that typifies bull market tops or ends. Bull markets generally die in two situations: when reality can't live up to sky-high expectations, for example when you have euphoric investors, or when the bull market gets walloped by some big, unseen negative force that has the power to knock a couple percentage points off global GDP. Ultimately, while all-time highs are great for headline news writers, they're fairly arbitrary points that tell you only what's happened in the past, not where markets are headed next. Currently, positive economic drivers and widespread political gridlock are underappreciated by investors, leading us to believe that this bull market will make more highs in the foreseeable future, despite some inevitable road bumps along the way. That's all for this edition. For more, please visit marketminder.com. Thanks for watching.